Hi everyone, I am Fatih Mehmet Nurhat and I am student of Istanbul Medeniyet University Engineering Management Department, and at the same time I am working as a quality management representative, a company in automotive industry. Today's topic, quality management in automotive industries and a case study. I'm going to give some information about quality management, common standards, implementing quality management, and I will show you some of example documents for implementing quality management. Firstly, quality is the capacity of a specified or manufactured product to answer the needs. Also, quality management, these are planned and systematic activities that are used to enable companies to achieve these goals. Also, quality and quality management are connected to each other. Yes, we explained quality and quality management, but we need a quality management standards for implementing quality management. The most common of all of these, ISO 9001, there is a quality management standard which everyone knows. It is a standard that defines the conditions to be applied during the establishment of ISO 9001 quality management systems and is subject to certification audit. But one day, heads of automotive industries, Ford, Volkswagen, Citroën, BMW, Renault, Fiat, recognized that's not enough and they established a new and more scope standard, ISO TS 16949 standards. The standards published in March 1999 and revised in 2002, taking into account the industry requirements and customer-specific requests. AFSQ, Italy, EAQF, France, Germany, VDA, is a technical specification created by adding the requirements of the standards. When we implementing quality management systems, we can meet customer needs and compliance with the law. This is most important thing for all of company. We can evaluate opportunities and we can know current stations, future goals, and determine the future rating. This is so important. Quality management has a special request on companies for production. Process and implementation should be determined. The sequence of process and their interactions with each other should be determined because everyone have to understand everything. Criterion and methods should be determined for process control. Process should be watched, to measured and analyzed. Companies should make activity for improvement and sustainable. There are things to what standards doesn't want. What do these systems not want from us? Firstly, same type quality management structure and adjust documents according to the item number of international standards. Lastly, using terminology for the special standards at company. So standards say us you have to have a quality management systems, but implementing and style your choice doesn't matter. Example. This is a process control report for checking measurement, material, painting, etc. You can see critical measurement, order no, and work order no above on the page. Order no is the most important things in this form, and it has include materials information because we should know which material in use this part, did buy from which company, which packet. We have to know in this form. And there are visual things for measurement and shape at the bottom because we don't want much more paper in production. Because of that, we use this form in production. But I have to say this report's style can be changed according to every company, but content nearly same with other. Now you see corrective and preventative action report. If there happen a mistake, we use this report. When mistake was happened, we use this form for explain source of mistake, describe the problem, identify temporary and permanent action. You see above on page problem description, problem source description. In my opinion, problem source description is the most important thing in this report, because if we know problem source, we can action for preventative. And this is a continuation of the previous form. Actually, our goal here is to prevent a mistake from repeating. Because if our preventative actions are useful and correct, we will not face the same problem, and actually this is our real aim. Another topic, we should to show actions how many efficient. If we know how much our actions efficient, we can make more rightly actions. And of course, all of these form and another have to confirmed by production or general manager. Lastly, there is a condition for this form. Prepared, this form have to educate for quality management standard, ISO, TS, doesn't matter. And I say again, this report style can be changed according to every company. As a result, if we use these systems and standards, we could prevent and correct our process to possible mistake. Yes, this standard and this implementing maybe as time and cost see expensive, but in long termination more useful. Lastly, if we implementing quality management systems, we can keep cost at the desired level, and we can fully meet customer special requests, and we can find solution without encountering problems, and we can improve ourselves and our company and our nations. This is most important thing for everybody and every company and every nation. If you have a questions about this presentation and quality management systems, quality management standards, and for everything, I can answer. Thanks for listening and watching. Have a good congress to everyone.